In this video, I will talk about Update Manager tool, which is used to download and manage connectivity packages, documentation, and hot fixes for PCM600. When you first open the Update Manager, you will be taken to the Settings section. Here, you can select Language Add-ons and choose either IEC or ANSI documentation. If, for example, a language add-on is selected, the Update Manager will show the selected language to be downloaded in the software updates. Let's go to the Get Connectivity Package section. Here we can see which connectivity packages are already installed, and we can also install more connectivity packages. To install a connectivity package, you can select multiple items and install them all by pressing the Download and Install button. Let's select, for example, the connectivity package for RET615 and its user documentation. Now we have two items selected which we can download and install. Here you need to accept the license agreement just once, and it will then download and install all the selected items automatically. In the Software Updates section, you can see available updates for PCM600 and updates for already installed connectivity packages. From here, you can select and update all or only some of them. Now we are ready to start PCM600. To be able to add a relay to PCM600, you first need to create a project. You can do that by choosing File, then New Project, or by clicking the New Project icon. When the project is open, you can see four main windows. Object Types is used to configure and build in several tools. The content in Object Types changes depending on which tool is active. Plant Structure is used to create substation structure. Here you will see the whole structure of your project, including all bays and devices. Object Properties is used to change properties for selected elements in different tools. Its content depends on which tool and object are selected. Output contains system events, warnings, and fault messages. All windows can be shown or hidden by clicking on the respective icons. Hiding the windows you do not currently need will give you more space for the tools you are using. The size of the windows can also be changed. In the next video, we will talk about plant structure in PCM600 and how to add elements and devices.